Hello trader, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I just want to help Jerry to fix one very small problem. So sometimes we play around with colors and everything on TradingView. For example, as you know, we can go in the symbol section and change body, borders, wick, colors, play around with precision, time zone, and all this stuff. However, very often this can be very ugly. As you can see, my chart is not pretty enough, and I want to back on basic settings. I want default settings for chart in TradingView. So how I can do that? So first you can go here in the settings section. It is just in upper right corner like this, or you can go on the chart menu and press settings and get the same thing. When you go to the settings section, you need to go, I will just show you, to the template. Here you will get drop down menu and you have the option apply defaults. So settings, then you go to template and apply default. And right now we press OK and we have default TradingView chart. So this is very simple. Just go to settings and go back and use again your chart settings as usually. So this is it. If you have any other question, I will answer. You can just make a comment on my channel. I wish you a great day and bye-bye.